This is every time. Every time. Patrick Higa and his group of warlock wizards comes to Saddleback. These birds, blackbirds, he comes in with all of them. This is how you know when he's here, because he's a wizard with demonic spirits. This is blackbirds, witchcraft birds. They're everywhere. See, that's a chief police. Uh, 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 what do you call that? Where is he from? Hawaiian chief police. Every time he's here, these birds comes in, and I think he's in the Mormon church. Maybe he's a Mormon. Every time, the minute he comes here, you know that Patrick Higa or Higa is here, because he comes in with all those blackbirds. And the worst thing is, some of the birds are like soul tied with the people. I think they use them as monitoring spirits. I think that's what he's using them as, monitoring spirits. Witchcraft birds, they're everywhere. I cannot believe people sleeping with these demons. Look at that. I mean, you hired someone like that too. There is no blessing. No blessings is going to come, because the man is a wizard. Look. And this is why he keep gang stalking me, trying to steal my social media accounts or anything of mine that he can get his hands on, because he's a wizard. He's trying to probably make everyone believe that I am a witch, or he's probably hiding behind my star of who he is. Well, I'm telling you who he is. He's a wizard. These are his birds. He comes in with those birds, and anyone who hired this man, the Holy Spirit will never bless you, because black energy and light energy does not does not marry each other. Anywhere he goes, that the place will go bankrupt. You think students are gonna come to a school where they have to see these birds while this man is here? No. Everyone will flee, which is what happened.